Welcome back to Mirror Interpretation Todorova. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ioana and I am an interpreter and a polyglot. And today, once again, I'm creating this series of videos called Consecutive Interpreting Practice. Today, we're gonna do Experian verification call, a script about 10 minutes. Before I start, if you'd like to support me, you can subscribe for $7.99. And for this amount, you will be able to see videos available for members only. If you're Spanish English medical interpreter, you can purchase my training on my platform Thinkific by clicking on the link below for $47. You can purchase English Spanish medical interpreter training. And also you can purchase my merchandise serotonin if you click on the link below this video. Said that, I am going to start with a script and I'm gonna share my presentation for you. It's gonna be view, slideshow. All right, guys, so this is gonna be English only consecutive interpreting practice. This is called Experian verification because this is a verification call. It's gonna be English only. And I'm gonna start my timer. I'm gonna read the script and give a time for you to interpret. I do appreciate when you let me know if there is enough time to interpret. Thank you very much. And 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Hello, this is Michelle for Experian Verification Services. Hi. By allowing the interpreter on the line to confirm your identity, you understand that the interpreter may have access to your personal financial information related to your credit profile. Do you understand and agree that this interpreter assists us today? Yes, I agree. Do you call for yourself or someone else? For myself. In order to assist you today with confirming your identity, please spell your first and last name. Maria Serdyukina, Mariaserdukina. Maria Serdyukina. Can you please verify in which state do you live? Oregon. Can you please confirm the address most likely associated to your consumer credit report? Seven eight two five Southeast 28th Avenue, Portland 97202. Thank you. And may I please have the telephone number most likely associated with your consumer credit profile? 503-314-7829. Thank you. Can you please provide me your social security number? I don't have it. I got here from Ukraine. I just arrived here from Harikova. I don't have a social. Okay, then what is your birthday? It's 18th of March, 1946. Okay. In order to assist you today, I need to open your consumer credit report. Do you allow me to open your credit consumer report? I need your verbal confirmation. Yes, I agree. In order to proceed further, I need your verbal confirmation and authorization that I can open your consumer credit profile. Do you allow me to continuing and doing so? Do I have your permission to continue? Yes, I allow you. Now I am attempting to generate your computer generated question for identity proof. Okay. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to create any automatically generated questions. Are you ready for the next step of your identity verification process? Yes, I am ready. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to confirm your identity. Please contact the customer service located at the website where you're applying to receive services. Find a customer care phone number, call them and let them know that you were not able to verify through Experian, and they're going to offer you additional ways to confirm your identity. Okay. Thank you for calling Experian Verification. Once again, my name is Michelle. I wish you a great day. And thank you guys for being here. That was our Experian verification script. I haven't been feeling quite well lately, so I'm so sorry if the timing was not quite well, but I hope it was useful. Those types of calls are pretty classical, pretty unique. I hope you had fun doing this consecutive interpreting session. Thank you for being here, and do like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.